I remember this coming up before I left my academic job, and being really troubled by having colleagues who were doing things like first pass of grading is going through GPT. I'm going to design an assignment and then GPT will create a rubric for me to use to grade. And, part of my concern about that is that there's something I think lazy about that. One of the things that kind of comes through in the article is, well, this is going to save faculty so much time. If you want to save faculty time, stop making them do assessment. It's dumb, and it shouldn't be a part of their life. Or stop putting faculty on dozens of committees.
You don't
And
mean
you could
you don't
actually
mean
free them
assessment
up
of
to,
their students. When you say
yeah,
stop
right.
making assess their students, but you mean like related to accreditation and that sort of thing.
Yes, right.
Yeah,
Because you
yeah.
would think, as like a normal person, that the assessment of students is what we call grading. But anyone inside higher ed knows that, well, grading doesn't really count. You got to have this whole other infrastructure that uses all sorts of weird words and incantations to figure out if people really are learning, right? And so, if you want to save faculty time, which is something they desperately need, there's so many other ways to do that than embracing this nonsense.